Do you know that since the pandemic, online shopping in the US has increased by 55%, reaching $1.7 trillion? The interesting thing is that this trend shows no signs of slowing down. Gartner forecasted that AI software revenue was $65 billion in 2022, a 21.3% increase from 2021. So, the conventional wisdom here is that any online retailer, whether a big company or a solo entrepreneur, is using AI to equip their e-commerce business. Today in this video, we will talk about how AI is transforming the e-commerce business in 2024 and what steps you should take to boost your online presence. Number 1, identifying optimal pricing. When you are in the e-commerce business, there is always confusion between increasing or decreasing the price of the product. However, with AI-powered software and large data sets, it can analyze. AI-enabled dynamic pricing software allows you to change the price of the product by considering the supply and demand ratio. For example, if your competitor's site is running low on items, you can increase your price for that item. Number 2, searching is getting smarter. Up until now, people, when they want to buy something, go to a platform and type in the desired product. But with advancements in AI software, like NLP-based understanding, it is easy for shoppers to speak or talk about their product. You don't have to just write the exact name of the product, but describe what you want, and products will be shown to you based on that. AI is also making people prefer to buy things from image search or voice search. Number 3, winning shoppers with personalization. In e-commerce, the shopping experience becomes more useful when personalization is added for the customer. If the company provides value to the customers by adding some personalization, then that company has seen remarkable growth and a high rise in earnings. Personalization has been a hot commodity for a while, but AI has put this wheel on top too. With more personal data analytics and real-time insightful data, websites act like trustworthy guides that suggest at the right time and announce huge discounts. Number 4, automating customer support. People love to talk about the product with agents, and this thing is only possible when customer support is available 24/7. Remaining available all the time for customers is not a piece of cake, so the job has been replaced by AI. New AI tools, such as Vapai AI, have announced personal assistants for online e-commerce companies that talk to their customers 24/7. And the wonderful thing is, these personal AI assistants are equipped with the latest knowledge and information that can handle customers' simplest to complex problems. Number 5, increasing conversion rates. Hundreds of people visit your online store, but only a few of them purchase a product. The next step in this condition is to start email marketing to those customers, which is one of the most hectic jobs, announcing discount offers, creating separate buyer offers for them. With the advancement in AI tools, this industry has flourished, and now email marketing has taken over this job. You don't have to worry about calling or emailing all potential customers. With just one click, this job will be taken care of.
Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.